If you don't want to have glass skin in 2026, this video is not for you. Please just scroll and pass. Scroll and pass. I have updates for my girls. So I've been using this mist for over a week now, and I'm literally about to finish my first bottle. Like, that's how good it is. This is latest launch from Anua. This is their new ARN plus hyaluronic acid capsule mist. If you love bouncy or glowy skin, trust me, you need this. It is packed with hyaluronic acid, PRN, and collagen. 3 powerful ingredients to give you that bouncy, glowy look. So every spray just flooded my skin with hydration and bounce. My skin literally looks plumper, healthier, and so glowy. Like, you can actually see the glow. The product is so good that I already got a second bottle. Look at my skin. Like, that is all the proof you need. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, save, and share to someone who needs this. Thanks for watching.
Everybody wants that smooth, glowing, healthy looking skin lately. The type of skin that looks fresh even without makeup. But many beginners think getting glass skin means buying expensive products or following complicated routines. Meanwhile, some people are getting amazing results from simple, affordable skincare habits. So in today's video, I've compiled clips showing beginner-friendly skincare tips, affordable products, and simple routines people are using to help their skin look clearer, smoother, hydrated, and more glowy. Welcome back everybody to Chile's Health Den. This is your safe space for beauty, self-care, glow-ups, and realistic lifestyle tips that actually make sense. So watch closely because some of these small habits really make a difference, and I'll be sharing my thoughts.
Do you see why I've come back to this? This video got 3 million views, and I actually want to run it back months later because this is still my favorite set to brighten and even your skin. This one, no matter what, will get me right, especially if you pair azelaic acid with this set. Oh honey, the glass you will have on your face. See how it's already starting? Wait, it gets better. Let me put the milky toner on. Shake this girl up, okay? Shake her up before you use her. Gotta move quick, gotta move quick. Y'all see this? Yeah. Wait, I got to put the vitamin C serum and then the cream. Like so. It's giving skin model, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm supposed to use a spatula, girl. Who's waking up using a spatula every day? Ain't nobody doing that. See how I went over my eyelid and it just immediately started glowing? Look at this one versus this one. This is something that I personally do. I love my Centella sunscreen, okay? I never switched up on her. Still love her now. No white cast. You are so dewy. Super compatible with makeup. I'm about to actually put some concealer on, a little bit of bronzer because I'm about to go to a quick iftar with my girl. But yeah, if you needed evidence that still works months later, here I am. Okay, here I am, getting married in 2 months, and this is still my skincare routine because it's guaranteed to have you hydrated, glowy, and even within a month. Okay, 30 days, that's all you need. All right, bye.
Okay, let's pause for a bit because one thing many people learn late is healthy glowing skin usually starts with the basics. Things like cleansing properly, keeping the skin hydrated, and using products consistently. And sometimes simple routines work better than trying too many products at once.
No one ever believes me when I say that this was how my skin looked earlier this year and this is how my skin looks right now. See, I'm going to put you guys on the glass skincare routine you need this summer. The Anua Dark Spot Correcting Serum. This serum is super effective for fading dark spots. It contains 10% niacinamide and 4% tranexamic acid. It's also very great for acne prone skin as the niacinamide helps to control sebum secretion and support your skin barrier. You can use it every day because of how gentle and hydrating it is. It gives you this instant glass look without making your skin look oily or greasy. For my vitamin C lovers, this is the Medicube Deep Vita C Pad.
The main ingredient here is vitamin C, which helps to fade dark spots, and it's also a great antioxidant to help protect your skin from sun and environmental damage. Another product I recommend for achieving a glass skin this summer is the OG, the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin plus HA. I don't think I've seen anybody that doesn't like this product. It's really good. It targets your dark spots, uneven skin tone, helps to give you this glass skin, and it's super hydrating because it contains hyaluronic acid in it. And the hyaluronic acid doesn't just hydrate your skin, it also helps to allow for better absorption of the product into your skin. Those are my recommendations for having a glass skin this summer. The key is to use a product that fades your dark spot without irritating your skin, because irritation will cause more acne and you'll forever remain in the cycle of always having dark spots to fade. So exfoliate your skin 3 times a week. Have any of these gentle dark spot correcting products in your routine, and you're going to watch your skin give what it's supposed to give. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and follow for more.
Y'all always ask me for a skincare routine, and I'm gonna just give y'all the #1 product that I know works on everybody, every skin type, every race. If you got dark marks, hyperpigmentation, you need to be wearing sunscreen every day. I use the Black Girl sunscreen, the kids version, because it got a higher SPF. I don't care if you black, white, Asian, Indian, you need sunscreen. That's what give me like this glow. And if you do got like dark marks on your cheeks, which I used to have, the sunscreen is gonna fade those, and it's gonna help them not get any darker from the sun. But yeah, I get my Black Girl sunscreen from Target. The kids version, I think the kids version got like 50 SPF. The regular one only got like 30. So yeah. When it comes to face wash and stuff, that's something you gotta do like according to your skin, whether you got dry skin, oily skin. I got normal skin. I feel like my skin is kind of like genetics at this point. But the sunscreen, you literally need that. Like if you're not wearing sunscreen and you got dark marks and they're not going away, that's why.
Okay, so another thing beginners should know is skincare takes patience. Some people use products for 2 days, then immediately expect to wake up looking like filtered Instagram skin. It doesn't work like that. So good skin usually improves little by little with consistency.
All right, filter, no filter. I know I owe y'all a skincare video, and I promise it's coming. Scouts honor, I promise. But I'm gonna do y'all one even better, because I'm gonna tell y'all the product that got my skin, nails, and hair looking right. Mind y'all, these are my real nails. That's my real nail. My hair's in braids, but it looks like this. It took my shedding from this to this, and my skin used to look like this. Like, y'all, I swear by this product. I've been using it for a little over a year. Super easy to use. Y'all, it's nothing but some liquid collagen. Mind you, this video is non-spawn. I just don't know why the girlies is not talking about this. Super easy to use, tastes real good. I literally put a couple drops in my water every morning and just sip on my water throughout the day. This is the only brand that I use. This is my 3rd bottle in a little over a year. It tastes delicious. It's amazing. I just drink it throughout the day. I don't know what to tell y'all.
3 ingredients and 3 of your biggest skin problems solved almost instantly. Dull, uneven skin tone, some yogurt. Yogurt's natural lactic acid is going to gently exfoliate as well as brighten your skin. Dry, flaky skin. High quality olive oil feeds your skin barrier and brings back the bounce. Angry breakouts and inflammation. Some pure raw honey. Honey is a natural humectant. It's gonna heal, calm, and hydrate the skin naturally. Cheap, effective, and timeless. Look at that. You just made a luxury face mask with kitchen staples. And delicious. Wait, this is actually really good. 10 minutes later, and instantly brighter, plumper skin. Not bad for a face mask you didn't even have to buy.
Something you should know is hydration changes everything. Dry, tired skin and hydrated, glowing skin look completely different. So that's why moisturizers, water, and the gentle skincare routines matter so much.
Anyone telling you that you need a 10-step skincare routine is lying to you. And you wonder why you keep breaking out. Look at my skin. This did not take 10 steps. When I tell you guys I've tried everything, I've tried different cleansers, different serums, getting facials, getting chemical peels, none of it worked. It all made my skin worse and more clogged and more congested. In my opinion, there are only 4 products that you'll ever really need regardless of your skincare issues. You need some sort of face wash. This is my favorite. It's the 2-in-1 double cleansing exfoliant from Twin Skin. This is my ride or die, okay? This is just what I found has worked for my skin personally. Whether you have acne or dark marks or dry skin, this is where your cleanser is supposed to play its part. And this cleanser specifically works so good for me because it has turmeric, which is an amazing natural ingredient for lightening those dark spots on your face. Mine are pretty much nowhere to be found, and I had them for over a year now. Another thing I like about this right here is that it's affordable. It's only $20 and it lasts me like 3 months. You can't beat that in this economy. I highly recommend it. Plus it's for all skin types. So if you're going to get anything from my little skincare routine, I highly suggest that you get that. Second, something that's really made a difference in my skin, beef tallow. I caved with the TikTok trend. This one specifically has Manuka honey and it's whipped, so it's really good for antimicrobial, antibacterial, really good for any blemishes that you may have that pop up. I love this. This is grass-fed bison tallow, actually. I order mine from Etsy. I've never ordered it from anywhere else. I've just been really into the natural, homemade type of products lately, and clearly it's working. Don't get me wrong, I still use some chemical products, some out of the store products. One of my favorites being Kiehl's eye cream. This is the creamy eye treatment with avocado. This has my eyes so moisturized, so refreshed. I love putting my eye cream on. Like, look at that shine around my eye. I just love that. Like, I don't want to live without that. Kiehl's, chef's kiss. Last but not least, I cannot live without an exfoliant. My cleanser has an exfoliating side to it, yes, but I need a chemical or a physical exfoliant. I don't have my favorite physical exfoliant with me, but I like the Dermalogica microfoliant, the daily microfoliant. If I'm not using that, I have to be using my Polish Choice, okay? This is the little travel size, the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I've been using this since high school. High school. Nothing else compares. Nothing. Obviously, sometimes I switch it up. I try different skincare products. I rotate some things in my routine every once in a while, especially when I add some more self-care, add some eye patches, add some face masks. But these 4 right here are my tried and true go-tos. I know they're gonna work, they're reliable, and they never steer me wrong, ever.
Alright girls, let's talk properly for a second. So, know that getting glass skin is usually less about perfection and more about healthy, consistent habits. A lot of people think glowing skin only comes from expensive products, but simple routines can genuinely improve how the skin looks and feels over time. And one thing beginners should remember is this: you do not need to start with a complicated 15-step skincare routine. Sometimes a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, hydration, consistency can help your skin glow. Because those 4 things I've just mentioned are a strong start. And another important thing is paying attention to how your skin reacts when you try a new product, because everybody's skin is different. Some people may need more hydration and others may deal with acne, others may have sensitive skin, and some may struggle with dryness. So that's why learning your skin slowly matters more than rushing. And the truth is, consistency changes more than people think. Little daily habits add up over time. So you have to wash your skin properly and always remove your makeup before sleeping. And keeping your skin moisturized is also important, and being gentle instead of harsh. So those little things quietly help the skin look healthier and smoother. And another thing, please give your skin time. People want instant glow up so badly. Yes, we know you do. But healthy skin usually improves gradually. So that's why patience matters. Now, beginner-friendly skincare should feel simple, not stressful. The goal is taking care of yourself and feeling more confident in your own skin. And the truth is, you have to invest in your looks before you invest more in how you smell, because your looks should match your smell. So thank you for spending time with me today, And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Chile's Health Den for more beauty, skincare, fragrance and self-care content like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.